Welcome to another tutorial here at Learn Brizy, and we're looking at the line element within the Brizy builder. This is a free element, so you can find it in the builder for both WordPress plugin Brizy free and pro, as well as Brizy Cloud free and pro, with no differences between these elements on the various platforms. In a sense, line is self-explanatory, and I don't need to say much about it, except that I actually don't see people use it that often. I like to drop in a line every now and again, and pardon the pun, I like to drop the line in and just use it for decoration purposes or to give a little bit separation on a page, especially when I'm going from maybe one block to the next block. Let's go to the add elements and you will find the line element over here, and I'm going to add it up here as a separator. To activate the element, click on it and you'll find all your settings up over here. You will see that the line has two handles, one on each side. Clicking and dragging that, you can extend it all the way to 100% of the container's width, and you can reduce it like so. If you want precise control over that, go to the settings here and you will see the width setting over here at percentage. That is all the way to 1% and all the way to 100%. This 100% depends on the container size. If I click and drag this element all the way down here to the bottom of the column, you will see now the 100% stretches all the way from here to here, which is now the container size of the block. Let's click and put it back up here and activate the settings. I'm going to reduce it like so much. Let's see, what is that? Around 5%. And then I'm going to align it right and click again to put it here on the left. Settings over here, you get the color, and I'm going to put it on this darker color. Or even let's put it on the green to match with the button over here. Cannot see that clearly, right? And that's where you go to size over here. You can click in there and use the scroll wheel on your mouse to increase it. Or you can use the up and arrow keys on your keyboard. Or simply highlight it and type the value that you want. I'm going to put that back at around 4. And there I've added a nice looking little separator. Let's bring in another block. And I'm going to choose another light block for illustrating how a line can act as a separator between various sections. In this case, you see that there's already a line here, but I want it to be more prominent. So what I'll do is I'm going to grab a spacer, add it here, put that line in the middle, extend it a little bit. Let's see how thick it is at 3. I'm going to put it at 5. And then with this spacer, I'm going to increase the space. Now you can clearly see that this line acts as a separator between this block and this block. Like always, the line element is responsive. So if you go to tablet or mobile, you can easily click on the line, make changes to it, disable it, or change the width. To access all these videos in one easy place, visit us at learnbrizy.brizy.site, proudly made with Brizy Cloud.